I thought I had it figured out, believed in us, we were meant to be, no doubt. A teenage love, everybody else could see the way we were, living in a fantasy. When I kissed her, I don't know where we're going, I don't know at all. I don't know how we're going, I'll be moving on, I'll be moving on. Gotta let it go, living on my own, making me strong. Now I wanna show I can hold my own. See how much I've grown. Better off alone, baby, I don't live it all alone. Sorry for the heartache and saying goodbye, for wasting your time, for wasting your time. I don't know how we're growing, I'll be moving on, I'll be moving on. Gotta let it go, living on my own, making me strong. Now I wanna show I can hold my own. See how much I've grown. Better off alone, baby, I don't live it all alone.
Win this battle on stage!
There's a distance between us, it's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen your wings seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways to get away, to see you again, see you again. See you again. reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken. I know I'm not always strong, and